Boxing is a physically demanding sport that can have various effects on the body, both positive and negative. In this video, we will show you shocking benefits of boxing. Here are some of the effects that boxing can have on the body. 1. Cardiovascular health. Boxing is a high-intensity workout that can improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and improving circulation. 2. Strength and muscle tone. Boxing involves a lot of repetitive motions that can help build strength and muscle tone, particularly in the arms, shoulders, and core. 3. Weight management. Boxing is an effective form of exercise for weight loss and weight management as it can burn a significant number of calories during a single session. 4. Improved hand-eye coordination. The sport requires quick reflexes and coordination, which can improve hand-eye coordination over time. 5. Increased bone density. The impact from punching and sparring can stimulate bone growth and increase bone density, leading to stronger bones. 6. Risk of injuries. Boxing carries a risk of various injuries, including bruises, cuts, sprains, fractures, and even concussions. Head trauma from repeated punches can lead to long-term neurological damage. 7. Joint strain. The repetitive motions in boxing can put stress on joints, potentially leading to conditions such as arthritis and joint pain. 8. Mental health benefits. Boxing can be a great way to relieve stress and improve mental well-being. It can boost self-confidence, discipline, and focus, while also providing an outlet for releasing aggression and tension. It's crucial for anyone participating in boxing or any high-impact sport to prioritize safety, proper training, and the use of appropriate protective gear to minimize the risk of injuries. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. A boxing workout is not easy. It is an intense experience. No matter what your skill or fitness level is, a good boxing session should put you through the ringer and be very challenging. Many people inherently enjoy this, but it's also good for your fitness because it builds stamina and improves endurance. If you attend boxing classes regularly, you'll find it easier to work out longer and more intensely. Boxing workouts are great additions to training plans if you participate in endurance events like distance running and triathlons. Adherence to fitness is a major challenge in gyms and for all trainers. It can be hard to keep people coming back for more workouts for a lot of reasons. The more interesting and varied you can make fitness, the more likely people are to stick with it. Boxing is fun, even for people who have no interest in violent sports. When the only thing hit is a bag and there are minimal safety risks, anyone can do it and most enjoy it. Boxing is a great way to improve bone strength. As an exercise physiologist, I even prescribe boxing for elderly populations who are at risk of developing osteoporosis. The forces through the hands and arms stimulate bones to mineralize and strengthen, ultimately reducing the risk of developing osteopenia or osteoporosis and potentially even reversing the conditions in some cases. Resistance training, in general, is a great way to mitigate the negative effects of bone mineral loss due to sedentary behavior. Undergoing mechanical tension caused by external loads on the skeleton, i.e. the action of muscles and tendons pulling on the bones, is an effective stimulus to promote bone mineral density adaptations. Boxing ticks this box plus one other.